point on, we're going to be focusing strictly on the aid and attendance. Everything I say is specific to the aid and attendance benefit, because for seniors who are looking to finance their long-term care, that is the most valuable benefit. So this VA aid and attendance benefit, kind of like the long-term care insurance benefit I was discussing before, it just comes in the form of a monthly payment, a monthly check or a monthly direct deposit that just shows up in the account. And this is to supplement long-term care for financially eligible wartime veterans. I'm going to tell you what that means in a second. And so this can help pay for in-home, assisted living, even nursing home. You start to talk about nursing home level care and everyone's brain automatically switches into Medicaid gear. And that's true. Medicaid does kick in for nursing home, but VA benefit can continue up until the point that someone is eligible for Medicaid. You don't lose the VA benefit just because you leave assisted living and go to nursing home level care. Usually the VA benefit's going to be more comprehensive and going to be more beneficial if you're in the nursing home, but you don't necessarily move directly over to Medicaid just because you go to a nursing home. Next, Linda. Okay, so this benefit is available to a veteran who is blind or living in a nursing home or unable to perform 2 activities of daily living. And here, just to give you an idea, are the figures of what we're looking at. So we're not necessarily breaking the bank here with these amounts, but they certainly are. I mean, they're 4 digits, so that's nice and helpful when it comes to financing long-term care. In Herschel's case, it's the one you see there in the yellow, he would be a veteran with no dependents because Nell had passed away. So the maximum benefit that he could get per month is $1,732. These are the 2014 figures. If Nell were still alive, then they as a couple could get up to $2,054 per month. And then also if he had predeceased Nell, she could get up to $1,113 per month. Yeah.
When you talk about widow's benefits, what defines as a widow? Social Security, you can be divorced from that person and still be a widow.
Yeah, VA you cannot. VA, you must have been married to the veteran at the time of his death. Now there are a bunch of foggy rules in there that say, for instance, I'm married to a veteran and he dies, and then I remarry. I can't go back on his record unless this guy dies too. so that's how that works. You can't go off and on.
If you were married to a veteran and he died, or say if you were married to a veteran and you were divorced and then you married somebody else and he was not a veteran and he died, then could you go back?
No, you were divorced. The marriage to the veteran had to have ended in death. Now I've had one client before who we had the opportunity to shop the husbands. The most recent husband who had died was not a wartime vet. And we're going, oh man, and like, oh, what about that last guy? And it turned out he was a wartime vet. So literally we got the benefits on that one. So if there's more than one